Childish. Get out. So soft.
Ate Shine, okay ka lang? Okay lang ako, Bubbles. Namimiss ko lang pamilya ko.
Son, your cousin will be staying at the mansion for a while. He will live there for a month.
All right. Nanay Tess.
Ano yun, anak? May kailangan ka ba?
Can you please tell the new maid to come here?
Shine, pinapatawag ka ni Premo ah.
Bakit daw po, Nay?
Hindi ko din alam, apo.
Sir, pinapapatawag niyo daw po ako?
Go change. And come with me. Let's go.